Hi all. Today I am going to discuss one important interview question that write a Java program to count character occurrences in the given string. So to solve this problem, we are going to provide this string as an input and we need to write a code which can give the output as this. So A in this string, A is occurring at two times. So we need to print A, then the number of occurrences. So A is occurring at two times, then A2. Then B is occurring at two times, then B2. And C is occurring at the one time, then C1. So I would like to discuss few important points regarding this problem and solution. So to solve this problem, I am going to use LinkedHashMap. So the reason of using LinkedHashMap is that it ensures that characters are printed in the order they first appear in the string. While if we use hashmap, regular hashmap, so it doesn't guarantee any order. And the second point I would like to discuss with you that the character frequency count means we are first printing the character, then its occurrences means frequency. So the code count, so we are going to write the code where this code counts the occurrences of each character in the string and it will store them in the map. And finally, we will print the characters and their counts sequentially following the order of their first occurrence in the string. So let's start our coding. So first I am going to create one class here. So print occurrences. Okay. I am selecting public static void main. Okay. So just clicking on finish. So we are getting main method here. So first of all, what string we are going to use? So we are going to use, let's go to our notepad. So this is the string we are going to use as input for our problem. Okay. Then we are going to use linked hash map. And here we need to provide character and integer. Okay. Then let's take the name as map and new linked hash map character integer. Okay. So let's hover on this and import linked hash map from Java utility. Okay. Then what next? Now we need to write the code to iterate through this string. So for this purpose, I'm going to use one for loop. Okay. So integer I is equal to 0, then I is less than str dot length I plus plus. Then, so first of all, we need to get the count of, first of all, we need to get the character at I position. Okay. And what it will return? It will return the character. So we can save it into ch character object. Then I am going to apply one if condition. So if map dot contains key ch, we need to pass. So first condition I am giving here to check if the character is present inside the map. So if character is present inside the map, so we need to count the occurrence. Okay, like this. So it will return the integer. Okay, integer count. Then if character is present inside the map, then we can increment it y1. Then up we can replace, we can update the count of the character. So we are here going to update the count. Okay. And if the character is not present inside the map, so in that case we need to add that character into the map. So how we can add it? So map dot put ch, we will add the character and we will update the count as 1. Okay. So after that, finally what we need to do? Finally we need to print the output. So how we can print it? So for this purpose, we are going to use for each loop. So this is the character. So key and map dot key set. So map dot key set will return the all the characters inside the map, and those all the character will be saved into this character key object. Okay. Then what next? Now we need to write print statement here. So here we are printing key. We are printing key and some gap. Then we need to print what? We need to print count of the character. So like this we can. So Control Shift and F for formatting, Control S for saving. So so let me explain you what we have done there. So what we are doing here? So here we are using character I method. So this character I method we are using to get the character at position I in the string. And then for each character ch, the code checks if it is already, if it is already, if map already contains this character as a key using map dot contains key. And if the character is already in the map, if the character is already in the map, then what we are doing, what we are doing, so we are writing this code to retrieve its current count, and then we are going to increment count by 1 and updates the map with this statement. Okay, then in else case, if character is not available inside the map, if the character is not found in the map, that is, it is the first time encountering it. So the character is, so here what we are doing? We are adding the character to the map with an initial count of 1 using this statement. Okay. Then what next we are going to do? So finally we are going to print it. So after the loop finishes, the key set method we are using to get a set of keys in set of characters from the map. And for and the for each loop iterates over each key, that is character key. Okay. And the system, this statement will print, this statement prints the key, that is character, followed by its corresponding count that we are getting through this. That's it. So let's run this code and you can check we are getting the expected output. What is the expected output? Expected output is this. Okay. And one more thing we can correct here. So we need the output in single line. So we can use only the print statement. So right click and run as Java application. So we can verify that we have got the expected output. So thanks for watching this video.